Ever wondered why some software solutions cost 50,000 euros while others go up to €500,000? Or why some projects are built in just 3 months while others take over a year? Well, this video is for you. The most important factors are technical approach and complexity, UI/UX complexity and design requirements, and last but not least, post-launch maintenance and updates. Technical and project complexity is the #1 factor influencing both cost and timeline. So let's break down what exactly drives complexity. Feature sophistication. Basic features are easy, but AI, automation, and real-time collaboration take much more effort. Interconnectivity. If your app needs to communicate with multiple systems, databases, or APIs, complexity increases fast. Third-party solutions can add to that complexity, but they're often the most logical choice. For example, integrating payment systems like Stripe makes more sense than building your own from scratch. While it adds some complexity to the project, these widely used solutions save time, reduce costs, and provide robust, secure functionality right out of the box. Scalability? Well, a prototype for 100 users is simple. Handling millions of users globally, that's a different story. Industry regulations. Industries like healthcare and finance have strict regulations, so these are requiring extra security layers. Projects can be divided into 3 groups based on complexity: simple, medium, and complex. If you're building something basic like a simple mobile app, you'll need a small team of 2 or 3 people. Those kinds of projects can be done in around 3 to 4 months, and the cost will typically range between 60 and 90,000 euros. Now, let's step up the complexity. Imagine building a content management system for a medium-sized business. This could involve user roles and permissions, media libraries for images and videos, content editing tools, and a customizable front-end for displaying content. This requires a solid backend to manage user access, dynamic contact, and security for protecting sensitive data. For those kind of projects, we usually suggest a team of 3 to 5 people. The duration of these projects is usually 5 to 8 months, and the cost can vary between 120 and 250 euros. Finally, we have complex enterprise-level software. These systems need to handle massive amounts of data, real-time processing, security compliance, and seamless integrations with multiple services. That means a larger team, at least 6 people and a timeline of 7 months or more. And naturally, the cost goes up as well, so it is often 250,000 euros or more. Factors that influence design requirements complexity are number of screens and user flows, interactive elements like animations and transitions, data visualization elements, the level of customization that is required, responsiveness and compatibility with different devices, and accessibility standards. Here's something that often gets overlooked: post-launch maintenance. Building software isn't a one-time investment, it is an ongoing commitment. Once your app is live, regular updates and fixes are essential to keep it secure, running smoothly, and aligned with your users' needs. Skipping maintenance might seem like a cost-saving move, but in reality, it can lead to bigger expenses down the road. Small issues can snowball into major problems that take more time and budget to fix. So think of maintenance not as an extra cost, but as a smart investment in the long-term success of your software.